Bullish Kusama cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $137.02 and $258.81 by 2030. Market experts accept KSM could reach $106.57 by 2025. Bearish Kusama market cost expectation for 2023 is $24.36. Kusama presentation. Polkadot's variant representing things to come. Kusama is a canary organization for Polkadot. Kusama is a testnet that permits engineers to explore different avenues regarding new elements and changes prior to carrying out on Polkadot. Kusama will have every one of similar overhauls as Polkadot, just sooner. This incorporates alterations or increases to the codebase, conventions, and administration instruments. Kusama is based on Substrate, a blockchain building unit created by Equality Innovations. Since Kusama has practically the equivalent codebase as Polkadot, it will actually want to encounter any issues that could emerge from new updates before Polkadot does. Along these lines, any potential defects can be recognized and fixed before they cause significant interruptions on Polkadot. Also, on the grounds that Kusama is administered by similar gathering who govern Polkadot, any overhauls made to Kusama will probably turn out to be made on Polkadot too sooner or later, making it the ideal spot to try out state-of-the-art includes that could ultimately wind up becoming standard. What is Kusama? KSM is the local cryptographic money of the Kusama organization. It is utilized to pay exchange charges and marking prizes and fills in as security for parachains and popularity-based support. Moreover, KSM holders can decide on administration recommendations through an on-chain mandate framework. Kusama is a versatile, interoperable blockchain stage that empowers designers to fabricate applications. The stage depends on the Polkadot convention and utilizations a proof-of-stake agreement component. Kusama additionally includes on-chain administration, permitting clients to decide on recommendations and arrive at conclusions about the eventual fate of the organization. The Kusama network was sent off in 2019 and is right now in its beginning phases of advancement. The group behind the venture is centered around building a strong biological system of utilizations and administration. The drawn-out objective is to make a decentralized web that gives clients command over their information and protection. Kusama Specialized Investigation. The Kusama network is a decentralized stage that empowers clients to fabricate and run versatile, strong, and interoperable blockchain applications. It is based on the Polkadot transfer chain innovation and utilizations parachains for versatility. Moreover, it additionally utilizes parachains for adaptability. These three parts make Kusama quite possibly of the most remarkable stage accessible today. While numerous blockchains battle with issues, for example, versatility and interoperability, Kusama has been planned from the beginning to address these difficulties. The undertaking raised more than $140 million, selling 10 million KSM tokens in only a couple of hours. The dealer's buy pattern carried it to $65 toward the finish of 2020. Kusama's effective ICO shows a gigantic interest for versatile and interoperable blockchain stages like Kusama Blockchain. With its imaginative plan, Kusama is strategically situated to turn into the main stage here. The coin was made by the group behind the famous cryptographic money, Polkadot. The Kusama coin is remarkable in that it offers a way for clients to try out groundbreaking thoughts and tasks on a Polkadot-like organization without stressing over the solidness of the mainnet. The cost of the Kusama coin has seen a huge flood in energy starting from the start of this current year. This cost change has made numerous financial backers consider the venture and its true capacity. Kusama is presently worth $30.45 USD. KSM has moved 2.00% as of now with an exchanging volume of $26,200,939. Kusama is presently positioned 115 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $258,194,181 USD. Kusama Value Forecast 2023. Kusama, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The KSM cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $45.67. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $42.63 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. KSM is supposed to have a base worth of $36.54. Kusama Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Kusama KSM cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of KSM will before long outperform $76.12. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the KSM's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, KSM will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $60.90 and a typical exchanging cost of $66.99. Kusama Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $106.57 and KSM might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. KSM is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $97.43 and a low of $91.34 in 2025. Kusama Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Kusama effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the KSM coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, KSM will be green in 2026. The KSM is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $137.02, with a base cost of $121.79 and a typical cost of $127.88. Kusama Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the KSM cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $158.33 by 2027, with a base cost of $152.24 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, KSM has a greatest value worth of $167.46. Kusama Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $188.78. In the event that KSM figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $197.91. Neglecting to assemble the help KSM needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $182.69. Kusama Value Forecast 2029. While KSM is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $213.14 and a yearly cost close above $228.36 in 2029. Kusama Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Kusama will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $243.59 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $258.81, averaging out at $249.67. Kusama Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired